kvCORE can make you thousands upon thousands of dollars every single month if you know how to use it. But on the flip side, if you're paying for kvCORE and you're not using it or leveraging it to make more money, well, you're burning thousands of dollars every single year. So today I'm sharing with you the most effective ways to generate real estate leads through kvCORE. But first, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jaime Resendiz, and I help real estate professionals exponentially grow their business through actionable content. All right, so let's kick things off. At number 7, we have the IDX website that kvCORE gives you. kvCORE gives you a highly functional website that directly integrates to your MLS. So your clients are able to not only research the homes that they want, but they have to give you their contact information in order to do so. At number 6, we have single property websites. Single property websites allow you to highlight one specific property so you can use it as lead capture, because the moment the user wants to get some additional information, they are asked to register their email and phone number, aka you now have a lead. It's also important to note that this is a squeeze page, given that you are leveraging a home in order to capture the lead. At number 5, we have saved searches. This is where you configure a saved search that you know will attract people's attention. So if you want people that are interested in Arlington that are looking for homes under $400,000, you can create that custom list and add anything else that you want. Now, be sure that you put the source of where you're placing this link that you're about to generate, because you want to be able to identify where the lead is coming from. You can also add specific hashtags that will fire off an email sequence or a text sequence of your choice. Now, it's super important though that you immediately ask for that registration. So property views allowed before registration. So the moment that they land on your saved search, they're immediately prompted to give you their contact information. So you just generate the link and use that link that's given to you everywhere you want to market it. Now remember, since you're putting the source of where this potential lead is coming from, make sure that you create a different link for a different source. And again, similar to the single property websites, since you're leveraging homes, this is an IDX squeeze page feature. At number 4, we have a seller squeeze page, which offers home valuations. This is where you can let the community know what the average price point is in that community, and also offer them to enter their address in order to get their home estimate, which after they input their address, they'll be prompted to submit their contact information to you. And similar to the previous 2 strategies, this too is an IDX squeeze page feature. At number 3, we have leveraging landing pages. With landing pages, you have the flexibility to offer anything you want. You can offer a calculator, you can offer a cheat sheet, you can offer a guide, whatever it is that you think your audience will find valuable in exchange for their contact information is what you can offer. And given that we're no longer leveraging homes here, this is when we use the landing page function, because this will allow us to create a simplified landing page that we can modify and that will be directly integrated into kvCORE. So you can change up the interface through main options, and you can fire off automations through hashtags, and you can also deliver whatever you're promising via a URL. But I do suggest that whatever it is that you're promising gets delivered in that first email, not after they press enter. And you can also adjust the background to make it more suitable to your needs. So again, the landing page feature gives you the most flexibility for whatever it is that you're trying to offer, and it directly integrates into kvCORE. So you don't have to use Zapier, you don't have to use API Nation, you don't have to use any of those integrators. This does it for you. And at number 2, we have the smartphone number. This is where you leverage your smart number to generate leads. So how you leverage the smartphone number is by launching text campaigns, where you can ask a user to send a custom code. So you can either send them an MLS listing or a custom message, along with automating a follow-up through your hashtag. So you can see that now you can leverage your yard signs, you can leverage your email signatures, you can leverage your social media, you can leverage everything that you communicate with in order to ask somebody to text you a custom code, and then kvCORE takes over. And at number 1, we have one-click posting on Craigslist. This strategy is very simple to deploy. You just go to your listings and leverage a listing that you personally have or have permission to market. Then you're going to go to more actions, go to post to Craigslist, select the part of Craigslist that you're going to market, and the rest is done for you. So you already have a fully functioning post that you can immediately hit publish on and start generating some leads. So again, kvCORE can pay for itself and then some. It can help you in your career or it can be a very good way to burn your money. So let me know in the comment section how you're leveraging kvCORE currently.